Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I will show you how to design a monogram logo, using the Shape Builder tool and the golden ratio. Make sure to watch to end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. Select the ellipse tool. Hold Shift-Alt and make a circle. Click here to stoke color. OK. Take stoke weight 2 pt. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Now select these two circles and Alt drag them to copy them. Perfect. Now select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and click and drag to delete. Now go to the Line Segment tool. Hold Shift and draw a line. To zoom in, hold the Alt key and scroll with the mouse wheel. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Make sure you have taken 12 lines. Now I will automatically generate other copies by clicking Ctrl+D many times. Now select all, and click Ctrl+C to copy, and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Shift and rotate. OK. Now select this shape and drag and drop it like this. Perfect. Hold Shift and turn up. Now select this, and click Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+F to front paste. Hold Alt and Shift and drag. OK, now select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now click and drag to join this part carefully. Zoom in. Join this small part. Hold the space bar to activate the hand tool, so you can move the artboard. Join all small parts well. Hold Shift and select. Drag out. Now I will select all this and delete it. Now select it and pull it up. Hold Alt and drag to make a copy. Hold Shift and rotate. Right-click on the mouse. Select Transform, Reflect, and copy. Hold Shift and drag. Perfect. Select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and drag to delete. OK. Again select all and go to the Stoke panel. Make the Stoke weight 10 pt. OK. Select all and go to the object. Expand. Click OK. And go to the Shape Builder tool. Zoom in. Now hold Alt and click to delete. OK. Select all, and go to the Pathfinder. Unite. Select Ellipse tool. Again select and unite. Our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.